Today's Connect the Dot drawing video is a 4-leaf clover. Make sure to get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, get your art supplies, and let's get drawing. So grab your Sharpie, and today I'm using a green one because I got these new colors and I really wanted to try them out. You could still use a black one if you want for your outline, but I'm going to use the green today. So starting at number 1, we're going to make a bunch of heart shapes all the way around to create our shamrock. So starting here at 1, we're going to curve outwards to 3 and all the way to 7, and we're going to stop. And from 7, we're going to go to 11 and then connect back to number 1. Like this. And now back at 11, we're going to go all the way to 16. And then around to 21 and back to number 1. And 21 around to 26. And then 26 around to 31. And if you have to go backwards, that's okay. Sometimes I like to go backwards because I get better control with my pen. See right here, it's not really nice looking. I'm going to fix that later. So I'm actually going to go 1 and I'm going to go backwards this way because I like to pull my pen towards me. See how I get a nicer line instead of pushing it? So we're going to do that. And here from 31 around 32, 33, 34, and 35, just like this. And here again, instead of going sequentially back to 1, I'm actually going to work backwards. So really, I want to continue from number 2 is what I want to do. And there we go. Now from number 1, I'm going to draw these lines out towards number 7, 35, towards 16, and towards 26. Now down here we're going to make a stem. So from number 20, curving up with something like that. And from 22, you're going to do the same thing, curving, and then connecting it together like this. And you're done your 4-leaf clover. So I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to make my lines thicker. So I'm going to draw over them again because I want this drawing to really pop. So if you have to turn your page, that's okay. Start coloring with your lightest green marker. I'm working on the highlights first. Do you know what day is St. Patrick's Day? The answer is March 17th. Now I'm taking my medium green marker and I'm coloring the rest of the picture. I've got my dark green marker that we're going to use later to do the shadows. If you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that way you won't miss any future dot-to-dot drawing videos. Do you know the official color of St. Patrick's Day? The answer is green, of course. With the base color done, I'm drawing my shadows now. Do you know the odds of finding a 4-leaf clover in nature? Answer: about 1 in 10,000. Wow! I think I want my outline to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to go over it one more time. Congratulations on finishing your clover. I hope you had fun, I know I did, and we'll see you guys in the next drawing video. Bye bye! Happy St. Patrick's Day!